Welcome to learn about astronomy, and this is the night sky for Thursday, April 24th, 2014. So what is there in the night sky on that evening of Thursday, April 24th? About an hour after sunset, we have beautiful Jupiter high in the west sky. It's easy to spot, easy to see. Always impressive to watch Jupiter actually. And why not take that time, because it's getting lower. In the month of May will pretty much be the last month afterwards that we'll see Jupiter before it hides in the sun's glare for a little while. And of course, after about an hour after sunset, you will have the view of Mars, now quite high in the southeast and easy to spot as a orange glowing star. Saturn rising around 9:30 p.m. Also a nice sight. If you have a small telescope, take a peek at Mars and take a peek at Saturn. Two great planets in a telescope. And even Jupiter, if you put the telescope on Jupiter, you should see its different moons, four of its brightest moons actually, dancing around the planet each evening. So it's always fun to watch. Pluto rising around 1 a.m. Almost impossible to see unless you have a big telescope. And then you have a big show here. On that morning, around 5 a.m., Venus and the moon, a very thin moon, which basically should be almost impossible to spot. But it's extremely close to Venus, so if you take a pair of binoculars, and be careful not to wait after the sun rises, because it's extremely dangerous. You are close to the sun here, so don't use your binoculars if the sun is already up. But just before sunrise, train a pair of binoculars in the east, very low in the horizon, and you should spot. First, Venus will be easy to spot because it's very bright. But you should spot, if you have binoculars and you train yourself a little bit, a very thin crescent moon just to the upper right of Venus. So take a peek, because that might be a very beautiful sight. It's possible that the moon will be only visible through binoculars, because a thin crescent like this is very, very difficult to spot. And since the sky will already be quite bright because of the sun rising not very far from 5 a.m., it's making it even more difficult. So use Venus, because Venus, even in a bright dawn, even in a bright sky, is easy to see. Actually, you can spot Venus right in the middle of the day if you know where to look actually. And so use Venus to help you find that little thin crescent moon. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe to our channel, and you'll be informed when new videos are online. And any comments or suggestions are welcome. Don't hesitate. So this was the night sky for Thursday, April 24th, 2014. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.